Hello po. Ito yung pang online seller inventory monitoring and accounting template. So, start tayo sa DD list. Ito yung list of clients mo and then suppliers, product list, lahat ng items mo na binibenta, and then yung other details niyan. And then it's yung chart of accounts mo. Dito ko na rin maglalagay ng beginning. Then, sales entry. So, lahat ng benta mo dyan. So, dito mo lalagay item mo, kung ilan, magkano yung benta, kung may service income ka pa, kung may discount or tsaka refund. And then sa expenses, lahat ng gastusin mo, pati yung pagbili mo ng item, syempre mamumuhunan ka, dyan na rin. So automatic na yung journal, general ledger, cash receipts, disbursement, inventory, automatic na rin, trial balance, income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, and saka yung BIR reports natin for 2551 tsaka 1701 ay automatically computed. Thank you.